Python/Postgres/psycopg2. Getting ID of row just inserted. I'm using Python and psycopg2 to interface to Postgres. When I insert a row, how do I get the ID of the row I've just inserted? Trying. Returns an error while using returning ID. Simply returns none. Update. So does curl, even though using this command directly into Postgres works. Can anyone advise? Thanks.
And please do not build SQL strings containing values manually. You can, and should, pass values separately, making it unnecessary to escape an SQL injection impossible. See the psycopg docs for more details. This URL.
I ended up here because I had a similar problem, but we're using postgresql, which doesn't yet support the returning ID clause. In that case, you can use, just in case it was useful for anyone.
Consider a returning clause, this URL.
For me, neither Thiefmaster's answer worked nor Jamie Brown's. What worked for me was a mix of both, and I'd like to answer here so it can help someone else. What I needed to do was, the statement lasted equals cursor.fetch1 last val. Didn't work for me. Even after cursor.execute, select last val. The statement id underscore of underscore new underscore row equals cursor.fetch1 0 alone didn't work either. Maybe I'm missing something.
Thiefmaster's approach worked for me, for both insert and update commands. If cursor.fetch1 is called on a cursor after having executed an insert update command but lacked a return value, returning clause, an exception will be raised, programming error, no results to fetch.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.